Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Your Pharmacist Next Door. On this video, I would like us to celebrate our pharmacists who have been an integral part of the healthcare system. Every 25th of September each year is actually a day set aside to recognize and celebrate all pharmacists in the whole world who are very much integral in the healthcare team. My name is pharmacist Nelson Ugu, and I'm your host on Your Pharmacist Next Door. The pharmacist works with your doctor to ensure that you are given the right medication at the right time and in the right doses. Every 25th of September each year is actually a day that is set aside to celebrate pharmacists. So me and you today are going to make sure that we celebrate pharmacists in our midst. The theme for this year's World Pharmacist Day is Pharmacists Meeting Global Health Needs. Are they really doing well? Those are questions we need to ask. To be frank with you, our pharmacists are doing excellently well in making sure that our health needs are met. They work in conjunction with other healthcare workers or providers to make sure that the best possible healthcare is provided for you. Then who is a pharmacist? A pharmacist is actually a well-trained healthcare provider that is vast or an expert in drugs or medication. A pharmacist makes sure that the right medication for the right indications are given. A pharmacist also ensures that you are properly educated on how to take your medications. The pharmacist is responsible for making sure that you are properly educated on some of the potential adverse drug reactions or potential side effects that you might experience when taking your medications. That is who a pharmacist is. A pharmacist has a lot of activities or a lot of responsibilities to be able to carry out in wherever medications are found. So it is important to note that wherever you go to and there is no pharmacist and a pharmacist is not found there and there are medications that are there, please be skeptical. Most times you should ask, is there a pharmacist? You want to see the pharmacist. After you might have seen your physician or your doctor, please make sure you check with your pharmacist. Now, where do pharmacists work? Pharmacists work in a hospital or in hospitals. You can find pharmacists in hospitals and they are responsible for verifying your prescriptions. They are responsible for making sure that you are properly counseled on how you should take your medications. Pharmacists are also found in pharmaceutical warehouses. For example, I was fortunate enough to attend, that is via my company, to attend the recent commissioning of the Plateau State Drug and Commodity Management Agency. The secretary is actually pharmacist Kim Bott, who is the executive secretary. Now, in such a place like the warehouse, it is a pharmacist, or it is supposed that pharmacists are to be found there. All right. Pharmacists can work in oncology centers. Pharmacists can work in specialty centers, clinics. Pharmacists can work in community drug stores. Like, for instance, the community pharmacists you see around. For instance, you go to a lot of pharmacies that you can see around where you can access primary health care. Now, it is important to note that we have different types of pharmacists. We have the community pharmacists. These are pharmacists that are actually found within the community. They are responsible for managing very common ailments and are able to refer or advise you to visit the hospital for advanced care. Pharmacists are also found, the clinical pharmacists. The clinical pharmacists are actually found in hospitals, they are actually found in clinics and other facilities, all right, where healthcare is actually administered. Number 3 types of pharmacists, we have the nuclear pharmacists. The nuclear pharmacists are actually pharmacists that are trained to be able to manage radioactive substances or pharmacoactive radiological products that are actually used in providing healthcare services. We have the consultant pharmacist. The consultant pharmacist actually offers advice to healthcare companies and insurance providers on patients' medication use. Also, consultant pharmacist improves pharmaceutical services at healthcare facilities. Now we have also the pharmaceutical industrial pharmacist. These pharmacists are actually responsible for sales, marketing, research, and development. These pharmacists also are involved in clinical trials. These pharmacists can also help to discover new drugs. These pharmacists can also be involved in quality control of our medications. These pharmacists can also be involved in quality control. Now, I'll leave this with us. Pharmacists are very important in the healthcare system. In as much as I know that our pharmacists, especially in Nigeria and all over the world, are doing a lot in order to meet our global needs, I want to assure you that a pharmacist can do more than we are demanding of them. Whenever you go to a pharmacist, please don't be so eager to leave. Please engage your pharmacist. Ask your pharmacist about your medications. So if you have a pharmacist today, please give them a call. Appreciate your pharmacist. You can even send a text message and say, "Pharmacist, thank you. Thank you." Even if he has not even if the pharmacist has not really had a very direct impact on you, but of course, a pharmacist one of your relatives must have interfaced with a pharmacist. So I join us today to celebrate the pharmacist. Today is World Pharmacist Day. Send a message to them and celebrate them. Please, if you've not followed my channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button, and follow me for more videos. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.